Okay guys, today I have a very special guest on my YouTube channel. My sister Alya, who is the sweetest, kindest, most thoughtful, selfless person in the entire world. And she's so amazing and she's hilarious.
I love you so much. You're so
sweet. And what's so great about Alya is she's my big sister. She also always gave me her fake ID when I was younger,
what are
so
you
I could go out.
saying? Don't share this stuff. It's not true.
I'm really excited to do her makeup today.
I'm so excited.
I did her makeup once. She didn't wash it off for 5 days, so I didn't do it again.
I looked so gorgeous.
You are gorgeous.
No, it was amazing. Like, I did not want to. Yeah, I loved it so much, and I'm so excited about this because I want to,
go find a man.
No, I don't want to find a man. I'm going to keep it on for as long as possible.
So I'll tell you guys something about Alya too. She started the brand with me at Huda Beauty, so she was like the first person who let me borrow money. Legitimately, if it wasn't for her, Huda Beauty would not exist. So she is amazing. She believed in me when nobody else did.
Yes, you're amazing. Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to get started with a full glam on Alya. We're going to do everything. I do her makeup sometimes on a daily basis, every once in a while. Like, bring her to my office and I do a little makeup. But we don't do full glam on her.
No. I've been waiting for this forever. So you're going to do everything, huh?
I'm going to do everything.
Hair,
everything. What do you think everything is?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything. I'm going to look like I want to look completely different.
Okay. Why? Okay. All right.
I just want to, I want that dramatic transformation.
Alya's really excited about this video.
In case you couldn't tell.
Really haven't. So I'm going to start. I've already put a little bit of primer on her, but I'm going to put a little bit more because her skin's a bit dry and there's a lot of rosehip oil in this primer. So it's going to help just kind of heal and soothe her skin. Got big cheeks, girl.
Yeah.
Like an apple.
Like an apple.
How do you say apple in Arabic?
Yeah, you said it right. Tufaha.
Tufaha.
Your Arabic is really good.
Thanks, I'm getting there. So Alya actually speaks Arabic fluently.
Yeah, Iraqi.
Iraqi
Arabic.
Teach us some words. What is this?
Moisturizer?
Primer, moisturizer.
I don't know what primer is.
Moisturizer.
Oh my gosh, I don't know. That's a hard word.
Come on. Teach us a word. Teach us a word. What is this? What color is this?
Bertakali? Bertakali's orange. Purple. Benefsiji. Sorry, I said Benefsiji, right? Yeah, Benefsiji. That's purple.
Alya actually was born and raised in Iraq.
Yeah.
And then she moved to America when she was 7. Tell us a little about yourself.
No. I'm not interested in this. Just do the makeup, please.
So we're going to use Faux Filter in Toffee. And we're going to mix a little bit of this too, the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury as well. We're going to apply a very small layer of foundation all over the face. We're not applying too much. And we're kind of dispersing it really, really lightly. This way, everything is just coated really nice and light. What's your favorite part of makeup?
I want to wake up like this.
Like Beyonce?
Yeah, exactly.
Alya wants to wake up like Beyonce.
And
she
not
doesn't want to
try and not do anything.
I'm going to use Toasted Almond, which is also the shade that I use from our Overachiever concealer. So I like to usually just like squirt out a small amount and then just use that. That's way too much. With this concealer, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to use this to highlight. I'm going to put it there, I'm going to put it here, I'm going to put it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm using the Zamac tip to spread this out, and we're really going to highlight this area underneath the eyes. She doesn't need a lot of highlighting in that area, more concealing, and that's because Alya obviously, got a little bit of pigmentation under her eyes. I think it's mostly from their Vitalash that you use, but it causes like purpleness, so we're just going to use this concealer. She doesn't really have dark circles, otherwise we could use, some correctors, but the concealer itself is really, really pigmented, so it'll actually cover everything. I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush, any brush you want, and I'm kind of just like spreading out the concealer in a stippling motion.
Ooh, I look so pretty.
You are beautiful.
But my complexion looks amazing. Does it look like that nice, or is it just the screen?
It looks amazing.
Really?
You look amazing. So Alya, when I was little, really, she's the one who got me into beauty. I know everybody always has a story. I used to see Alya put makeup on as a kid, and she would wear like so much mascara. She would like put mascara on forever and ever and ever, and then her lashes would be so long and she would look like a doll. And she would wear these contact lenses, which is why I'm obsessed with contacts.
I didn't know that's why.
Yeah, where do you think it came from?
That's so special. I miss wearing my contacts.
Yeah. She used to wear these contacts purple, and we would go out and boys would be like, "Hey, Alya!" And she'd be like, "Hey!" That's legitimately a true story all the time. And I remember I got a lot of my personality from Alya when I was younger because I used to just like watch her.
Really? I feel so special because you've got an amazing personality.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You really got it from me?
I swear to God.
Wow.
I used to see like how like cute and fun and friendly you were.
Wow.
Obviously I changed.
But you made it better.
Everybody who knows her in the office, I think like she's like one of everyone's favorite person because she's just so like fun.
Thank you.
She's Nora's favorite auntie. She told me in confidence.
I don't believe that.
Swear to God.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you bribe her?
No. I was like, who's your favorite auntie? And she was like, you won't tell anybody? And I was like, I promise I won't. But then she told me I could, which is why I'm telling you guys
She
now.
really said that?
I swear, and then she ended up telling you.
Oh my God. I'm really shocked.
In front of Mona.
Like, I mean, I'm so happy to hear that. And I love her so much, but I'm shocked.
Do not smile when you're putting powder.
Why?
Because then you're going to have wrinkles. So very important.
Really?
Yeah, as you're applying concealer, do not smile. You want to just like kind of smooth everything out either with your pinky and then just press everything into place.
Interesting tip.
Yeah, because you're just going to be setting the wrinkles then. It's not going to go evenly into the areas that you need it to be set. So I'm just setting the areas where I want to contour with a powder. I'm not using a cream contour just because I want to keep it. No, don't move your eyes.
Oh, sorry. I do that thing with my eyes.
Don't do it. I'm just going to use a little highlighter and it's just the gold sands. I'm actually going to use the melted strobe because I want to look a little bit more natural. Olya does have pores because she doesn't take care of her skin.
I don't see any pores.
Unless she spends the night at my house, then she washes her face.
Hey! I do other times too, when you put makeup on me.
That's actually true story. I started putting makeup on Olya I try every single day recently because then it forces her to like take really good care of her skin.
And I loved it.
So we've done Olya's base and pretty lightly, pretty naturally. We can add a little bit more contour to her skin. I'm going to just mix a little bit of sandalwood and suede and I'm going to use that to contour her nose. I am brushing it on a towel because I want like very little product.
I've been waiting for this.
The nose?
I want to see the different. Yes, I want to contour my nose.
I do it almost every morning though.
Yeah, but the whole, and with my hair fixed and everything.
Yeah, you're going to go out? You're going to find a husband?
No, I'm not going to find a husband.
Stop trying
to get me to find a husband.
I don't want you to find a husband.
Yeah,
No, I do. He's a be a good guy.
Yeah.
Good guy. Olya needs to tame him. Had some bad experiences with
Olya's
boyfriends.
I don't feel comfortable right now.
Okay, we're not going to talk anymore. This got so personal. I don't know what happened.
No, that's not what I wanted. Let's make it light and fun.
So I'm just going to give Olya a little bit more of a pinch nose. So I'm grabbing the Easy Bake. This is banana bread. I'm going to pinch this blender here. And I'm just going to apply it on the side. So I'm just using this is just a pro product from MAC. I'm putting it here. Just in areas that I kind of want to contour. And this is basically just like a darker pressed powder. It's not actually a bronzer, which sometimes I really like. So funny story, Olya loved Chris when she first met him. Some people were like kind of confused about Chris. Like Mona was like, I'm not sure about him in the very beginning because we were hanging out so much and I think she got like mad. And then Olya was just like, oh my God, I love him. He's amazing. I like him. She didn't say about anyone. She's like,
no,
I like him.
I don't like everyone. I don't like everybody. But
she doesn't.
I liked him from the
first
day.
Time.
It was
first
so
minute.
Crazy. It was so crazy.
And they became really close friends.
He's really charming. I think maybe that's why.
Whenever I do brows, I like to have a mirror that is like just like eye length so that it just kind of comes to the same distance as the eyes. And I like it to be flat. So mirrors that are tilted, I feel like that will not help you with symmetry. So I really like them to be like flat and kind of forward. So that's one thing that I really like to do. So I'm going to have Olya look straight to me and the brows are not symmetric because I was doing them not forward. Really important you are kind of in the right place.
Can you make them look feathery?
Yeah.
I want them to look natural.
Mm-hmm. And Olya's always had really nice, really arced brows.
I don't know what happened to them.
No, you know what happened once. No, be honest. What happened?
Bleeding, right?
No.
Oh, you're going to tell them
One
what
day,
I did?
we moved from Tennessee to Massachusetts. One day, we could not find Olya. We didn't know where she was. She was in the basement, and she took a very small mirror, and she decided to tweeze one of her brows on one side with a very small
mirror. That's why I don't know anything about makeup, beauty, anything about.
She came out with the thinnest brow.
No, half of it was, half of it was missing. I only did like the first part.
Tiny, and the other brow was normal. Yeah. So we had to cut her bangs.
To cover. But it never grew back the same.
It never grew back.
What did I do?
The truth is, when you pluck your brows, this is why I do shave Olya's brows now. I shave like the last half because that way we can shape them. Shaving your brows is a much better alternative than plucking your brows because depending on the way you pluck your brows, you could actually damage the follicle. It could either, at the bare minimum, it will take 7 weeks to grow back, or you will damage the follicle so it'll grow back weird, or it will never grow back. In Olya's case, some of it never grew back. You're so funny. So we're going to go ahead and use the Amethyst palette. This is one of Olya's favorite palettes because her birthday is in February. So we're going to go ahead and start with this pink color. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a small amount. And I'm going to do a wash all over her lid. And you can see I actually didn't even conceal the lid. That's optional. Some people do like to conceal the lid. I personally don't think it's always necessary, especially when you're applying shadow.
Why do people conceal it?
Some people just like to have a very clean base to begin with, and a lot of times it looks very airbrushed when they do that too. But I personally think you don't need to like have coloration and then conceal and then color again. But, you know, you can if you want to, but some makeup artists just leave it as it is, and I just think it prevents creasing a lot of the time too with less product there.
What about primer for the lid?
You can use a primer. I would just say a very, very thin amount, and I would use a blender to make sure you remove any excess product too. Are you learning?
I'm trying to.
So I've used this like pinkish purple shade all over her eyes. Just did a really simple wash. We didn't actually apply that much, just a really small amount. I'm going to use more on this side, and I'm kind of blending that outwards. I'm going to go in with a bit of a deeper color. I'm going to go between these two right here, and I'm going to create a little bit of a crease for Alya. So one thing I like to do is I usually like to have people like look forward to find out like exactly where I want to put it, and once I find that crease I can really go in there and shape it. Close your eyes, Alya.
Yeah, make me look like you. That's what I want.
You're so funny. My whole life I wanted to look like you, now you want to look like me. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this middle shade right here, which is a little bit this like bluish, purplish kind of iridescence color. And I'm just grabbing a small amount on my hand, and I'm just gonna do a quick swatch on Alya's eyelid. I'm gonna lift her brow, look down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little pinkish, purplish color now, and I'm just gonna grab a flat brush and I'll apply it right in the center. It's gonna make her eyes look a little bit round, and her eyes already are round, but it's fine. I wouldn't go too excessive with making her eyes look round because her eyes are round, so I wouldn't make it like darken here and darken here. That'll just make her look aged because it'll like make her eyelids look more deep. So we're keeping it a little bit softer. And now with liner, we're really going to start manipulating the shape of the eye, which is something I love to do. I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner. This is from Stila, and this is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liner. Look straight towards me, and I'm just going to go ahead and start with the outer half, looking at the shape of her upper eyelid. I'm going to lift her eyelid here. So I've only done like the last half of her eye because I really want to do a little bit of a lift. And then I'm going to have her look down.
How long does it take you to put on your eyeliner?
A minute.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gonna apply a nice coat of mascara.
Is it necessary to put mascara on if you're gonna wear lashes?
I think so, especially if you're wearing eyeshadow, because then it just kind of cleans up any product that falls on your lashes.
Is that the only reason, or it looks better?
I also just feel like it helps blend in your eyelashes with the false lashes. I could just kind of like boop, place them right on. Right? Look down for me.
Ooh.
So now I'm just gonna go look forward. I'm just lining Alya's lip. And I am going to manipulate the shape of her lip because she does have a lot of space here like I do. So we're just going to overline slightly. And I'm filling them in as well because I'm just going to kind of like fill in and draw at the same time. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Nice. I'm just going to use Venus, our liquid matte, especially because Alya's lips are a little dry. This is going to add a little hydration because our liquid matte is based out of oil. I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer on the bottom
I'm really
too.
Excited. Can't wait.
Can't wait to see it all.
Yeah. You're
What
still
do you
going to
guys
do my
think?
hair, right?
Oh.
Okay. You're going to do my hair, right?
Do you want a wig?
I have extensions. They're right there.
Yeah,
They're already.
let's
Do you want to put them in?
Yeah, let's fit them
I mean,
in.
I'm sure it's going to look amazing. Like, you know.
Let's do it.
I don't know if you want. Yeah? You're going to do it for me?
You don't want short hair? I love short hair.
I want to see myself up close. Oh my god, I love it. It's so nice. Wow. 1 second. Sorry, I'm changing everything. Like my hair, just my hair. I love the makeup hoodie. Ah, thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Did I get my makeup on you?
I don't know.
I didn't. No, I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't put my face.
You.
I didn't put my face on your. I'm so excited.
You.
I actually like it, just like this. It's cute.
Yeah,
like
it
it, like my hair, like
yeah.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Woo!
So this is the final look we did on Alya, and this was just a little bit of a fun look, just kind of messing around. Alya never wears makeup at all, and I think she looks really, really beautiful. And more than anything, she deserves this.
Thank you, Huda. I love it.
She deserves to feel beautiful.
I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this
for your whole life.
Since the last time I did my makeup. Yeah, all my life.
So comment down below if you guys want to see Alya do my makeup. Yes. If you want to see more tutorials on Alya.
I want her to do my makeup like that.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
You're welcome. Don't put makeup on me. Don't put makeup on me.
I love it.
Yeah,
really,
you look good.
Yeah, I love it so much.
You should put the contacts on.
Yeah, I really love it. I look so beautiful. Sorry, I'm just so happy. Sorry.